Hey guys, I'm just gonna show y'all real quick. I downloaded the NFT maker on Sandbox, and this is pretty much what it looks like right now. What's interesting and the reason why I wanted to jump on here, one, they have templates already to use, and then they have tutorials for you just to check out and learn how to do this stuff. And what's so cool about it is because you can get on here and let's go to the Sandbox. Let's see, right here. And going to the Sandbox, you can hit create. Get there real quick. Internet's a little slow. All right. So you got the game maker you can download and make games in here. And you can become an NFT creator as well. You just download it, follow the tutorials. Once you finish, come in here, learn, use some templates, start creating, make some money in the metaverse. All right, guys. Have a good one.